Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to part 13 of GATE General Aptitude series. Question 1. You should dash when to say dash. Should, after that it should be a verb, so no. So you should know when to say no. So option D is correct. Question 2. Two straight lines passing through the origin. One of them passes through the point 1, 3 and the other passes through the point 1, 2. What is the area enclosed between the straight lines in the interval 0 to 1 on the x-axis? So let us draw these two lines. These lines pass through origin and they pass through point 1, 3. So let us take this is 1, 3. This point is 1, 3. So this will be 3. And second point passes through 1, 2. So this is 2. So these are the respective lines. And the area enclosed between these two lines, that means this area we have to calculate. So let us calculate area of the two triangles, and difference between those two triangles will give us this shaded part. This point is 1. So this area is equal to, area of this bigger triangle is half into base into height. So half into 1 into 3 minus half into 1 into 2. So this will be equal to half into t minus 2, that is 1 only. So half, that means 0.5. So correct option is option A, 0.5. Question number 3. If P is to Q is 1 by 2, Q is to R is 4 by 3 and R is to S is 4 by 5. So here it is given P by Q is equal to 1 by 2, Q by R is 4 by 3 and R by S is 4 by 5. If U is 50% more than S, so U is equal to S plus 50% of S. So that is S plus 50% is 50 by 100 of S. That is 1 by 2. So that is 3 by 2 of S. So from here I can write S by U is equal to 2 by 3. So S by U is equal to 2 by 3. What is the ratio P by U? So here we have P and U here. So we can multiply all these equations, right? So from here, if I multiply left hand sides of all these equations, and that is P by Q into Q by R into R by S into S by U. So this will cancel out and we will get P by U only. On the right hand side, 1 by 2 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. So P by U is equal to, this 2 and 2 will cancel out, 4 into 4 is 16 and 9 into 5 is 45. So 16 by 45, that means option D is correct. Question number 4. Given the statements P is sister of Q. So P is female and is sister of Q. Q is the husband of R. That means Q is male and is husband of R. So R is female. R is the mother of S. T is the husband of P. So T is male and is husband of P. Based on the above information, T is dash of S. So T is an uncle of S. So option B is correct. Question 5. In the following diagram, the point R is the center of the circle. The lines PQ and ZV are tangential to the circle. The relation among the areas of the squares PXWR, so this part, RUVZ and SPQT is. So we want to find relation between areas of these three squares. Now area of this part will be equal to, since this is a square, so this will be equal to PR square. So this area is PR square. Now this part is RZ square. This will be RZ square. But since it is along the diagonal, RZ can be written as QR. So this will be QR square. And this area will be PQ square. Now if we focus on this right angle triangle, then we can write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square So let us find this in the options. So this means area PXWR, that will be equal to area RUVZ plus area SPQT. So area PXWR, that will be equal to sum of these two. So these ones are not correct. So SPQT, that will be equal to PXWR minus RUVZ. So option B is correct. Then question number 6. Healthy eating is a critical component of healthy aging. When should one start eating healthy? It turns out that it is never too early. For example, babies who start eating healthy in the first year are more likely to have better overall health as they get older. Which one of the following is the correct logical inference based on the information in the above passage? Healthy eating is important for those with good health conditions but not for others. Eating healthy can be started at any age, earlier the better. Eating healthy and better overall health are more correlated at younger age but not at older age. Healthy eating is important for adults than kids. So only option B is correct. Question 7. P invested 5,000 per month for 6 months of a year. So total investment of P will be 5,000 into 6, that is 30,000. And Q invested X per month for 8 months of the year in a partnership. So money invested by Q is 8 into X. The profit is shared in proportion to the total investment made that year. If at the end of investment year Q receives 4/9 of the total profit, then what is the value of X? If he receives 4/9 of the total profit, that means his investment is also 4/9 of total investments. That means at X is 4/9 of total investment, that is at X plus 30,000. Now we have to solve this. That means 72x is equal to 8 into 4 is 32x plus 30,000 into 4. So that is 1,20,000. So this will be 40x is equal to 120000. That means x is equal to 3,000. So that is what has been asked. So x is equal to 30,000. So option B is correct. Then question number 8. The above frequency chart shows the frequency distribution of marks obtained by a set of students in an exam. From the data presented above, which of the following is correct? So for this we have to calculate mean, median and mode. So we can calculate mean. So total numbers and into this is we have to calculate actually. So here it will be 3 into 3 plus for the second one 9 into 4, then plus 11 into 5 plus 7 into 6 plus 14 into 7 plus 2 into 8 plus 4 into 9. This whole divided by 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So this will be mean, and this is equal to 292 upon 50. That means it is 5.94. So that is the mean value or average value. Next is mode. So mode is the maximum occurring frequency. So the frequency which appears most is the mode. Now here the mark 7, it appears 14 times. So the mode for this case will be 7. So mode is 7. So it is the frequency which appears most number of times. And median is the middle term. So here total there are 50 observations. That means total number of observations is 15. So median will be average of 25th and 26th term. So here there are 3 plus 9 plus 11. That means these are 23 observations. So 25th observation, 25th and 26th will be here. That means median is 6. So median is 6, mode is 7 and mean is 5.94. So correct order will be mode is greater than median is greater than mid. So option B is correct. Question number 9. In the square grid shown on the left, a person standing at P2 position is required to move to P5 position. The only movement allowed for a step involves 2 moves along one direction followed by 1 move in perpendicular direction. The permissible directions for movement are shown as dotted arrows in the right. For example, a person in a given position Y can move only to positions marked X on the right without occupying any of the shaded squares at the end of each step. The minimum number of steps required to go from P to 5 is. Now from here, if we start, then only way possible is to go here. And we have to reach at this point. So we cannot reach from this point because this is shaded one. So only way is to go from here to here. Now to reach this point, we can go from here. I'm backtracing the path. So to go here, to go here, and from here. So this is the correct way that is possible. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps, minimum 5 number of steps are required to go from P2 to P5. Next, question number 10. Consider a cube made by folding a single sheet of paper of appropriate shape. The interior faces of the cube are all blank. However, the exterior faces that are not visible in the above view may not be blank. Which one of the following represents a possible unfolding of the cube? So here, if this is vertical, then this part will be completely black and this part is gray. This is the combination. So here vertical line and then in front of it black shaded region. So this is not correct. This one is also not correct. This one is not correct. And again this gray region should have been on the right hand side. So this one is also not correct. So this question had all the options wrong and marks were given to all. So it was marks to all question. Now these are all the questions from GATE 2022 paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.